How do we actually finish that to be a line drive? Yeah, feel that motion right there? That's called extension, okay? Extension. And that's how you pull a line drive out. So get in your stance, and we chop, and then extend. Pull it all the way out. So pull that line drive all the way out. Now extend. And look, that extension, look at me, Elijah, that extension comes all the way forward and out, okay? So you pull the ball, and then you push the ball out to center field. Do you understand? Okay? And there's a feeling that you're going to get. You'll actually pull back to the line drive. And it's young for you to understand what it is that you pull the line drive to center field. Listen, I don't expect you to know this, but I'm going to introduce you to it. As you're hearing and hearing and hearing, it's going to become second.
I know, every line drive should
And
be
then you only know how to use line drive. You understand? Right, so let's think about this. Line drive swing, line drive out to center field.
Oh my god, they still... Oh my god. This should help.
Okay, so now line drive to center field. And I want you to think pulling the line drive to center
It's not
field.
gonna be done.
You
should just help
pull it out to center.
There's still like 3 more
Good.
minutes.
And listen, no frustration, trying something new. Center field. Great swing right there. That's exactly what I want. Line drive, center field. Great swing, a lot of play. See what I'm saying? That's coaching. Line drive, center field. Okay, now what's be wrong right there? Say extension. Say extension. Extend to center field. Ready? Center field. Good. Pull that bottom hand out to center field. Good. Keep those hands extended to center field. Back
It's so... Oh my god, it's so cool.
Pull that bottom hand, that top hand. Bottom hand. Extension. Good.
We're not gonna be done. We're not gonna be done.
Good.
We're not gonna be done until he says rotate.
Center field. Center field. Good. That's it right there. Center field.
We're not rotating
Good. That's a
until
good swing at it.
after
Pull that
those
bottom
two
hand.
guys that are on deck.
Ready?
We'll be here for
Bottom
a while.
hand.
We
Good,
might end this
Elijah.
camp.
That's it. Wherever you want that finish, where do you want that swing to finish? That's it. All the way up top. All the way up top.
What?
Good. Good line drive. Keep it on center field. Center field. Good. Atta boy. Get your foot behind it.